Yeah, it does help. I know, so this used to be a bicycle repair shop. My name is Dana Cassara, and I have this studio, Danica Design, here in Seattle, Washington. I opened the studio in 2003 to provide a workspace for people in the city who want to make jewelry. And since the beginning, we've offered classes with local metalsmiths, and we bring metalsmiths from all over the country to teach. Same year we opened a gallery, and because you make jewelry, you have to sell the jewelry also. I was a restaurant manager, and I worked all day, all lunch, super busy. And then I would go teach my class at night to my students, and I would be exhausted, and I would think, oh, I won't be able to do this. And then I would just be so energized to see all those lights going off for people and to just see their joy. There's not a lot of joy in life anymore, and I think that there's a lot of joy and satisfaction in creating something, with your own hands. And so I just kind of help people to have the skills and the confidence to do that. The classes I teach here are pretty much all beginner workshops. And then you have people who just come and take their first class, and they immediately are like, I'm gonna quit my job. This is what I wanna do. And you're like, go for it. So over the years, I've seen this big range of people come through, and many of them have become professionals. I'm very enthusiastic when I teach. It's challenging. Making jewelry is hard, actually. I guess I really try to give people the confidence to just try it. What's the worst thing that can happen, right? They can just try it. And then I became a jeweler, and I got into it, and I bought my $25 pair of pliers, my German-made ones that were pretty good. And then I thought to myself, okay, so what's so special about these $60 pliers, and why are they so expensive? And so I finally bought myself a set of Lindström pliers, and I then learned just how fantastic they really are. They just have, a great hand feel, just the perfect amount of resistance in your hand. They've just held up. I think I bought those pliers at least 22 years ago, maybe more, and I have the same pliers that I did. So they're good pliers. My name is Dana Cassara, and I am a maker and fixer.
She nailed it! Perfect. Yeah, she nailed it.